In blended finance, it's not just whether capital is mobilized, it's how much we're unlocking. Mobilization rates are of crucial importance in blended finance. The mobilization rate refers to how effective funds are in generating additional investment. Rates vary depending on which kinds of funds are doing the mobilizing. It can also be called leverage. Let's take some examples. First, private capital mobilization rate using concessional money. This is private sector money being brought in by concessional money. This is one of the most important mobilization rates that we talk about. For blended finance, this rate on average currently stands at only 1.8 times, meaning that using $1 of this highly catalytic and scarce capital from the left of the diagram only brings in $1.80 of private sector funds from the right. Or $100 million on the bottom layer leverages in $180 million on the top layer. This rate is quite low. It could be much, much higher. With the promise of more innovative structuring in blended finance and more focused risk reduction, can we go from 1.8 times maybe up to 2 times, 10 times? Or what about 200 times? That would powerfully impact blended finance's contribution to the SDGs. The second one is the commercial capital mobilization rate using concessional money. It's still using concessional funds, but mobilizing all categories of commercial funds. Remember, DFIs and MDBs do deploy commercial funds. DFIs and MDBs actually require commercial rates of return on many of their investments, so including them gives a higher number on this rate because more commercial money comes in. For blended finance, this rate on average currently stands at 3.8 times. This means $100 million leverages in $380 million. This rate is higher than the first one because we are including DFIs and MDBs funds leveraged in. Which is a bit contradictory since the main aim of blended finance is to bring in the private sector. And MDBs and DFIs are not private but government-owned. The last one is private capital mobilization rate using the DFI and MDB money. This is private money being brought in by the DFI and MDBs alone. Currently, on average, this rate is 0.6 times. So $1 of DFI and MDB money is only bringing in 60 cents of private sector money. These rates must be looked at and examined closely in every single blended finance transaction.